Product that we're gonna be running. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. If y'all caught yesterday's video, y'all know we got the Forgiatos for the Corvette taken care of and they're ready to mount up. The only problem is we gotta get the white paint off of them, so I decided to go with a wrap for now instead of getting them powder coated or painted. And I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of that today. Yes, I'm working in the house because it's like 110 degrees outside. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. That way you don't miss any videos. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, now we got that out the way. As y'all can see, we got the Forgiato's ECL. I got the edges taped up because we're gonna do the back part first. We gotta get that white covered up. I already went and checked. This is almost a perfect match to the paint of the vehicle. This matches the seats, and then we're probably gonna do some red accents. I got all my little wrap tools in here. Got these out the garage. So fresh blades, we got everything we need in here. Everything we need, stuff to measure, everything. We're gonna be working in the house today, like I said earlier, and we'll just see how this design comes out. So that whole back piece I just showed y'all to be the shark gray, the dark gray. And then I'm thinking about doing red accents on the back side right here. Y'all drop down in the comments, let me know what y'all think. And then the light gray on the outside of the face, so you know, like it'll be brighter. Like I think it'll chop harder. And then maybe the dark gray in here. I'm not gonna do anything with the lips, the back of the barrel right here. I'm gonna leave that like it is. So let's get to work, guys. My son will be here in a little bit to record. I'm gonna move everything over to this area, to this plug, so I can have a light. I got my Mac light plugged up, and we'll get to work.
Damn, Jam, this shit a vibe.
First thing I'm gonna do is get the alcohol and wipe the back of his face, get it nice and clean, and then we'll take another measurement because I forgot what it was. I think it was 24, because we gotta account for the curvature. So you don't want to go 21 and then you cut it, and then once you wrap it, you're gonna be short. So I'm gonna try to go over. You want to cut once, not twice, and yeah, we'll go from there. Product that we're gonna be running is we're gonna be using all VViViD. Let me get that out the way first. So the red is gonna be Ultra Gloss Racing, and then the light gray to match the seats is VViViD's Ultra Gloss Light Chalk Gray, and this one's a little bit clearer. And then we for the main color, like the car, it's gonna be the VViViD Ultra Gloss Candy. I think it's a charcoal. They got a dot right there. But anyways, that's the product that we're gonna be using. I almost left that out. I will put the part numbers and everything in the description if I don't throw them away. But yeah, let's get back to work. Houston, we have a problem. So on the dark gray, I ordered 5 foot by 3 foot. So let me show y'all where the problem is. So across from here to here is gonna be 19, and then we need to give ourselves 2 inches from there and 2 inches over here to account for the curve, just so you can make that whole thing fit in one piece. So guys, I can wrap this in one piece. I got my heat gun and everything. That's not an issue. Right now the issue is how much product we do have. So what I'm gonna do to save product, because if I do it like that, one piece on all 4, I just did the math, it came out to like 7.5 foot and some change. So yeah, that's way over 5 foot. So it's not gonna work anyways. So what I'm gonna do, I got some knifeless tape, you'll never see the back of here anyway. So if you look right here, we'll do a thin line cut right here, and then just every spot, so times 5. So what we'll do, we'll measure this area. Somebody always calling me, and we'll make a template, and then we'll do that 5 times per rim, and that'll save us on material, guys. You gotta this is stuff that you gotta learn, you know, when you're doing customizing and stuff like that. I mean, you gotta figure it out. So that's what we're gonna do. So I can't measure with one hand, but I'll get the measurements. We'll make our 5 templates so the video don't be too long, and I'll turn y'all back on when we're ready to wrap these pieces.
Talking about, I don't know.
We're gonna try 4.5 by 6 inches on the first piece and see what that does. Alright guys, we're gonna try 10 by 4.5. That 6 did not work. And I should have used a piece of tape, a piece of paper to measure before I did that, but we lost a piece there, so we'll check this out. We're gonna line it up perfect with the white. Right there. We got our heat gun ready just in case. We probably won't need it though. And I do have the clear backing still on it. You can take it off if you want, but as long as we make it to that line, so yeah, we'll make it. I gotta get that. I should have took that clear off. So now it's gonna be hard to get it off. I need a piece of tape. This is how you get that off. I should have just went ahead and took it off. There it goes. Y'all see that little trick? Alright. And that line right there is made into the way the rim is made. Alright, I got that piece cut out. We're gonna go 6 by 10 instead of 4.5. Cause y'all see this line, we need to get a little bit more closer to the middle so it'll look perfect. But we got that piece cut out. I might take it off, I don't know. We're gonna move to the next one. Looks like 6 by 10 is gonna be perfect, guys, so it'll make it all the way to the next one. That was gonna be the issue with the 4.5. Alright, little stretcher. I had to set y'all up on the tripod, so I'll show y'all in a minute. Stretch it a little bit. You get the bubbles out. I should do one side at a time. And man, you think you got enough lighting until you start doing something like this. And then you're like, dang, it's dark. But we want to try to get at least to the middle right there. So that'll be our stretch. And then we'll do some relief cuts. Where is my new blade? You can go. Leaf cuts. Alright. That laid down real good. Another relief cut. And you won't never see that line back there. And I'll pick y'all up here in a second. Let's make sure. I'm gonna have to get another light out here. Alright, it looks good. We'll trim her up. I wish I could have took the wheels apart, guys, but around here, I don't know anybody that knows how to resell like the 3-piece wheels. We live in a small little town, and this is not like a popular thing here. The only thing, see, like you don't have enough room to get your arm like where you need it. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh! Y'all see that? I almost got it perfect. Just a little bit on there, but we'll clean that up. You want to kind of, I can't cut with my right hand, but I'm gonna have to try to. But you want to kind of angle your blade facing out. She don't want to cut. I just put a new blade. This VViViD is thick too. Yeah, it's thick. I have to get over here. Now I can use my left hand. Come on, come on. There we go. Now that's a line there. Come on. Alright. And then just go back and get the little pieces you missed out. I'm gonna have to get a little trash can because this stuff's gonna get everywhere. And let's get I'll trim that in a minute. So what we'll do, we'll put us a little line right here. Like that. And then we'll run her. Run it down. Flush. Alright, now y'all see how it's gonna look. We'll finish the rest of these up and then we'll move to the next thing. I'm gonna pick up the tripod and just show y'all. But see, like I said, you ain't gonna be able to see a line or anything. Ew, they're metallic. Alright, let me finish the rest up.
Damn,
Alright guys, we got the back done. We're doing the knifeless tape right now to do the two-tone color. This is so we don't scratch any of the paint or the new wrap. So we get this taped up, we'll start applying the red. Got all the knifeless tape done, so now we're gonna get ready to drop the red in here, guys. It's gonna be a difficult one, but we got plenty. So what I'm gonna do, I've never done it like this, guys, so we're gonna learn this together. Make sure I got enough. Both sides. That should work. Oh my goodness, it moved again. So, alright, that should work right there. So we'll press it down a little tight in this area. Round that back up. My wrapping glove is over there somewhere. We'll get it. We get her. We get her done. See, now that's gonna be hard, guys. Trying to get it up in that crack right there. So I might have to do that off camera. But I just want y'all to see how the concept is gonna look, how it's gonna lay out. It's gonna be clean. So I'll start trimming this out. If it gets a little easier, we'll turn y'all back on.
5 hours later.
Alright guys, the reason I stopped the video like that, I really wasn't feeling the way the wrap was coming out, and then we ran into another issue with the wheels. Y'all gonna have to subscribe. Y'all gonna have to see that in the next video to see what happened. And I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna figure something else out with the wrap, guys. But we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.